Okay, a bit of subtracting, including some borrowing. Let's work through some examples. Let's take 257 minus 39. Let's write it out. 257 minus 39. Here we go. I've written it out loud. I've been careful to line up the units to make sure that the units are above units, tens above tens, hundreds above hundreds. There aren't any hundreds in the second number. I can put a zero there, it makes me happier, just to make sure that I'm clear about what's going on here. We start from the right hand side, start with the units, and we say what is 7 minus 9? And grown-up children say 7 minus 9 is minus 2, but the rest of us say that 7 minus 9, ooh, I can't do it because 7 is smaller than 9. So I need to borrow, and I borrow from the next column across. Always the next column across if I can. If I have 5 and I borrow 1, I've got 4 left. I'll take that 1, stick it across to the next column, and put it in front of the 7 to make 17, and I've now got 17 minus 9, and 17 minus 9 is 8. Good. Next column, I've got 4 left now, so it's 4 on the top, take away 3 underneath, and 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 in the hundreds, take away 0 hundreds is 2, and my answer is 218. Let's do another one. 7,058 minus 600, or 1,600, and, ooh, I don't know, 65. There we go. So, 7,058, 1,665. So let's make sure I line it up correctly. Have I got that right? Yes, because I've lined up the units and the tens and the hundreds and the thousands. Start with the units, start over on the right. 8 minus 5 is 3. 5 minus 6, can't do it, got to borrow. Now here's one to watch out for. If I want to borrow here, I look to the next column, which here is the hundreds. But there aren't any, there's no hundreds that I can borrow. So I go across to the next column, which here is the thousands. I take one away to leave myself with 6. But I don't jump 2 columns with it. You never jump your borrowing across 2 columns. I'm borrowing 1,000 and I stick it into the next column, into the next column along, the hundreds column, like so, to leave me with 10 hundreds. Then I can borrow one of those 10 to leave me with 9, and that one can go into the tens column to make 15. And 15 minus 6 is 9. I've now got 900s minus 6 is 3, and 6,000 minus 1,000 is 5, and I've got 5,393. We'll do another one like that in case that's a bit quick. Let's do 2,206 minus 578. Okay, let's write it out. 2,206 minus 578. Good. Start with the unit. 7 minus 8. Can't do it. Got to borrow. But I can't borrow one from the tens, so I've got to borrow one from the hundreds. I take it away from there and I put it in the tens column, the next column along. You only ever borrow from one column to the next one. Now that I've got 10 tens, I'll take one, leaving 9, and put it there to make 17, and now I can go, can't I? 17 minus 8 is 9, 9 minus 7 is 2, 1 minus 5 in the hundreds, can't do it, so I'll borrow one from here to make 11. 11 minus 5 is 6, 1, take away nothing, is 1, and there's my final answer, 1,629. So that's subtracting whole numbers using a written method. There are videos elsewhere about how to subtract decimals. I hope that works for you.